So this is the JW Marriott in Nashville, and the room is really cool. It looks really new. If you look right here at the light switch, we have lights for the master entry. You can see like the entry lights go on with this button. Privacy, makeup room. Our buttons, and I'm thinking that if we look on the outside, it says it on the outside panel if you want your room made up. So when you walk in, there's a tremendous full-size mirror. It's tremendous. And then the room is actually really big too. So you walk into the bathroom, it's a really big shower area, and in the shower area they give you body wash, shampoo, conditioner, soap, and then there's a tremendous mirror in the bathroom too with towels, and then they give you this other mirror to do your makeup, 2 sinks. We brought that dial, so 2 sinks, tissues, more soap, mouthwash, and then there's like a door right here, and then a light switch here for the ceiling, the mirror, and then a night light, which is really cool. So if you see the night light area, it's just this underneath part. And then in this door on the side is actually the toilet area. It's a little dark right now, but the toilet area and a painting. So that's a separate room. Then here, an ice bucket, some water, some glasses, some snacks you can buy, a Keurig to make coffee. Right underneath is a little like mini fridge bar with different drinks that I'm guessing you probably have to purchase. Yeah, it's alcohol. And then this, oh, this is cool. You pull out the drawer and it has all different types of coffee, creamers, sweet and low cups to go. So this is very modern and different than a lot of hotels I've stayed in before. So this must be pretty new. Then in the closet, we have an iron, an extra blanket or pillow, it looks like, a safe, this stand for luggage, laundry bag. So this is the thermostat. You can actually change the temperature in here. Here is some artwork, and then it's 2 queen beds, this room, with an alarm clock, which is pretty modern with all USB ports, and you can hook up your phone to it. The phone is very slim too, so that's very modern. And then the lights here again are labeled, which is so helpful, so you know which light goes to what. Here's the second bed. And from the angle here, this is what it looks like this way. And then here's the TV area. We just have our luggage out already, but here's just like the area with the desk from this angle. And then here is like a sitting area. And here's the view we have from our room. We have a city view. So this is the view right here and right here. And then over here, I'll just walk back again just to show the full room from this angle. I don't know why I'm going out of focus. Just excuse our luggage. We just put it down, but this is like the full room. So the bed, the other bed, and then the TV area. And that's it. Very cool, very modern, very clean. Really like the feel here.